Well, today's edition of the Big Orange Bird is all about family. Now, I introduced you to my son a couple of issues ago when we went skydiving, and he's in this one today as well. But it's not about my family. Today's edition is about the Big Orange Bird's family. Yeah, the Big Orange Bird has a couple of cousins that I'd like to introduce you to. So we're going to be racing together. These are the two cars. Of course, you've got Tweedledee and Tweedledum. So I guess from the coloration, you can definitely see the family resemblance. So what are we going to do with the Camaros? Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do with the Camaros. We're going to race them. We're going to join with the SCCA, the Sports Car Club of America, in an autocross event that they're having. So what is autocrossing, you may ask? Well, autocrossing is a very simple form of racing in which the race stewards set out a course marked off by orange marker cones, and you drive the course as quickly as you can. It's a timed event. You're only on the track with yourself. There's no one else that you're racing against, so you're not going to hit anybody. Worst case, you spin out and you take out a cone. But it's a lot of fun. All right, so now I guess you're wanting to know who won. Well, technically, Drew won. You get 5 times around the track, and after 3 times around, I was faster, but I was also smoking my clutch. You could smell it burning, and I decided, yep, I'm done. I'm not going to risk burning out my clutch to make 2 more runs, and besides, I felt like I had a big enough lead that he wasn't going to be able to come back and get faster than me. But on his final run, he did. He got faster than my fastest time. So I guess technically Drew won, but there's a big asterisk. If you like these videos, please hit the like button and please subscribe. YouTube sees that, and they see that people are liking my videos, and it gets distributed more. People will see it come up more, and they'll see it more, and that's the whole idea with this anyways, to make these for fun for me, and hopefully people are enjoying them. If you are, do that. And ring the bell. You'll get notified every time I put one of these out. Thanks.